Alright, let's dive into this explainer on an incredible biological mystery bridging the deep ocean and your cells.
Meet the bowhead whale. This absolute unit thrives in the freezing Arctic for over 2 centuries.
But wait, how does an 80-ton giant avoid cancer and cellular breakdown for that insanely long time?
With trillions of dividing cells, it should literally be a tumor factory. Scientists call this Peydo's paradox.
See, human cells use a messy replacement method. The whale, it masters a flawless, repair, don't replace strategy.
Their secret is a cold-activated protein called CIRBP. And get this, they produce 100 times more.
When DNA breaks, CIRBP rushes in, shields those broken ends, and perfectly repairs them with 0 errors.
And the craziest part? Putting whale CIRP into human cells means we can biohack this exact resilience. So, let's talk about our cells, specifically our mitochondria, the tiny cellular batteries pumping out ATP energy. Damaged mitochondrial walls leak energy and accelerate aging, acting just like a failing, rusty battery. So how do we emulate that 200-year energy efficiency inside our own cellular batteries?
Enter T8 Extra 90, packing the CIB-SXP complex derived straight from Siberian taiga fir needles.
The game changer here is its 90% polyprenol concentrate, which perfectly converts into dolichols inside your liver. This mimics the whale's repair, don't replace strategy, perfectly fortifying mitochondrial walls against harsh oxidative stress.
But the real magic? That happens through the incredible synergy of combining it with VILAVI MitePop.
Together, they completely maximize your ATP recharge rate, creating an absolute surge of protective cellular energy.
This combo supercharges mitochondrial function, giving you laser focus, endless vitality, and deep metabolic defense.
Ready to try it? The daily protocol is incredibly simple. Just take 2 milliliters a day.
Dissolve it in room temp water alongside MIT Up. Remember the secret. Fix the foundation. Repair, don't replace.
The bowhead whale thrives for 2 centuries. Are you ready to recharge your own cellular batteries?